We have a first alert weather day until Monday now as we track some thunderstorms the next couple of days, some heavy pockets of rain. But the big story will be the powerful winds building in behind a front that came through today. There's the front. It's stalling out over the far eastern end of the state. So far, we reached up to 4 inches of rain and we're still counting. We're starting to see things pick up on the radar this evening. We have flood advisories up for both ends of the state on Kauai until 11 o'clock. On Hawaii Island, we're seeing over those windward slopes the heaviest of the showers. That's up until midnight. But you see the bulk of the moisture has been gathering over the gathering place. We will be seeing hit or miss showers. One moment it could be quiet and then we'll see waves of energy and showers move in the next couple of days. And that's because of how rich and moist this atmosphere is. You can see until Monday afternoon, here are the rainfall totals. According to the European model, we could have 1 inch to 4 inches of rain. After this is all said and done, up to even 6 inches of rain over some of those windward and Malca neighborhoods. That's why that flood watch is up through Monday. On top of that, we have an upper level disturbance that's developing, and that's what's going to trigger some of the heavy downpours into the next 24 to 36 hours with cold air aloft associated with this. But you see that steady plume of moisture sitting right on top of the islands, and it is going to direct more rain our way. Also building in behind the front, this large area of high pressure, lower pressure to the south, and that's what's going to funnel in very powerful downsloping winds with gusts strongest over the leeward side. We're expecting the winds to peak Sunday into Monday. We're talking about northeast winds sustained anywhere from 20 to 30, gusts higher than that, accelerating down the leeward slopes. Let's take a closer look. Into the night, we've been seeing even gusty conditions over Kailua Kona side. We're expecting about 15 to 25 mile per hour winds tonight with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Let's move forward in time. This is the peak of the wind event as we head into Sunday. You see about 20 to 40 gusts up to even 60 miles per hour. That could potentially be damaging and also maybe even lead to some power outages. So we'll be prepared for that through Monday. And then it's not until probably Monday afternoon the winds start backing down. You still see gusts up to about 50 miles per hour. And then that lasts through Tuesday, according to the long range weather models. And then it is going to be a gusty week next week with about 15 to 25 mile per hour winds, gusts up to 30 throughout the entirety of the week. So very windy conditions taking over. On top of that, we have a winter storm warning on the summits of Hawaii Island. Snow could be substantial for Hawaii standards. It's going to be 15 inches. Abundant moisture lingers over the state, so we expect on and off showers throughout the night through tomorrow, and we could be seeing those hit or miss showers continue into the next 24 hours. On north facing shores, 8 to 12, 6 to 8 on west facing shores, elevated surf on east facing shores. We will be seeing heavy rainfall at times and then quiet weather, but the thing that's not going to be quiet are those whistling winds, and that's why these first alert weather days will continue into Monday because of the very blustery winds. Winds remain strong on Tuesday, and you see breezy conditions take over for the rest of the week. Have a safe weekend. Keep it tuned here, your First Alert team.
Thanks very much, Jen. Still ahead, our critic checks out a new movie by director Sam Raimi that's been getting rave reviews in Terry's Take.